MTV's Cribs is back. The revival kicks off with a tour of Big Sean's Beverly Hills mansion complete with a nightclub and stripper pole. Watch a sneak peek. Big Sean does not need to leave his home to hit up a nightclub, there's already one built into his $11.1 million Beverly Hills mansion. The rapper, real name Sean Anderson, 33, will welcome fans into his home for the premiere episode of MTV's Cribs revival, set to air on Wednesday, August 11th at 9:30 p.m. The network released a sneak peek on Wednesday, and the estate is nothing short of lavish. The mansion previously belonged to Guns N' Roses guitarist Slash, the rapper revealed in the segment prior to welcoming viewers into the private nightclub. "We've got a few rules before we go into the club: no cameras, no phones, no videos, no Instagram, no Twitter," he said prior to the grand reveal. "This is a place that I don't really show people, so you guys are pretty special right now." He then ushered viewers into a dark nightclub complete with black walls, black flooring, and black ceiling. A stripper pole is flanked in the center of the room. The nightclub was an existing feature courtesy of Slash, and while the rapper was encouraged to change up the space upon purchasing the home, he said, "Are you f***ing kidding me? This is Slash's club. I'm gonna keep it the same." The rapper explained that he kept the gothic skull-light sconces. "I feel like this just has to stay in the house forever," Big Sean said. And what's a nightclub without a retro disco ball? The private nightclub has one, as well as various art pieces and red throw pillows. Related gallery. Big Sean and Jhené Aiko, photos. It looks like the home no longer belongs to Big Sean at the time of airing, as the Los Angeles Times reported this week that the rapper sold the mansion for $11.1 million after purchasing it for $8.7 million in 2017. At 11,000 square feet, the mansion has 7 bedrooms, a chef's kitchen, and other luxe features, including a recording studio, movie theater, and library, according to the Times. After more than 20 years off air, MTV has revived Cribs for the masses to provide glimpses into the homes of the rich and famous. The show initially premiered in 2000 and featured stars like Mariah Carey, Destiny's Child, and Naomi Campbell. The reboot will feature celebs like Martha Stewart, Scott Disick, Tinashe, and more.